boys and girls, today we have bubble spelling. So we're going to write each of our spelling words in a bubble. So our first word is up. Up. Let's write it. Up. Up. Now let's do us. 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 Good. Let's do the next word, which is tub. What sounds do you hear? T, b. T, b. Tub. Next word, tell me the sounds in gum. G, g, Next word is bus. B, us. B, us. Bus. Next word, number 6, jug. J, g. J, g. Jug. Next word is lug. O, g. O, g. Next word is bud. B, d. B, d. Bud. Next word is hum. Hum. And our last word is rub. B. B. Rub. Very good, boys and girls. You did an excellent job. Make sure your name is at the top of your paper. Put it in the basket and start on your Lexia.